Have you ever wondered about the environmental cost of the minerals in your smartphone or car? Every time a mine is dug, the earth bears the brunt. Vast tracts of land suffer degradation, vital habitats are disrupted, and pristine waters become tainted with pollutants. This not only scars the landscape but also threatens biodiversity and compromises the health of local communities. The need for mining practices that prioritize sustainability and ensure effective mine closure and rehabilitation has never been more critical. Now, imagine a world where technology can minimize these impacts. Mining doesn't end when the minerals run out. Indeed, the journey of a mining site can continue long after the last gem is extracted. This next phase is crucial and is known as mine rehabilitation and closure. But what does this involve? Mine rehabilitation and closure planning is the process of preparing a mining site to be returned to a natural state or repurposed for new uses once mining operations have ceased. This isn't just about packing up and leaving. It involves a series of well-thought-out steps to ensure the environment is safeguarded. The first step typically involves the removal of mining equipment and infrastructure. This helps in minimizing the physical footprint left behind. Next, mine shafts are sealed off to prevent access and to ensure safety, but perhaps the most vital step is the restoration of soil and vegetation. This process not only helps in bringing back local flora and fauna, but also plays a significant role in stabilizing the ecosystem. Properly closing a mine ensures that it returns to nature or becomes beneficial to local communities. Scene script. Enter artificial intelligence, the game changer in sustainable mining. As mining operations draw to a close, the focus shifts to healing the scars left on the landscape. Here, artificial intelligence steps in, not just as a tool, but as a revolutionary force in mine rehabilitation. AI's prowess in predictive analysis allows us to foresee environmental impacts long before they manifest. By leveraging complex algorithms, AI can predict how landscapes will recover, enabling more effective rehabilitation strategies. One of the shining examples of AI in action is the use of machine learning models. These models are adept